Welcome to Emerging Tech Guild, your gateway to emerging tech excellence. And welcome to Python series. In this video, you will learn about some of predefined methods in Python with examples so that you will get a better understanding of the usage of these methods. Let's start. Please join, subscribe, and like this channel. Enhance your skills through a less than 10 minutes videos via this channel on daily basis on advanced topics. Provide the topics you would like us to cover in the comments section. String methods. rstrip removes trailing with space from the right side of a string. If you see below example, rstrip removed white space after the text hello world. Next string method is lstrip. The lstrip removes leading with space from the left side of a string. Next one is strip. Removes both leading and trailing with space from a string. Try out the below example and verify the output. Format. Formats a string by replacing placeholders with values. In below example, observe the usage of curly braces and how the variables name and age being rendered at runtime. Split. Splits a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. In below example, a space has been mentioned as a delimiter and the output is a list of strings. Join. Joins elements of a list into a single string using a specified delimiter. Please join, subscribe, and like this channel. Enhance your skills through a less than 10 minutes videos via this channel on daily basis on advanced topics. Provide the topics you would like us to cover in the comments section.